get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
I'm back. What's up, all my new besties? It's your girl Nikki Miami, and I'm back in the building with another tutorial. This time I'll be applying a lace front wig for the first time on camera. I'm super excited to go ahead and show you how to do mine. So go ahead and watch your girl. But first and foremost, I want to say shout out to all my loyal subscribers who rock with your girl. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all forever and a day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And also, if you're new to my channel, your first time seeing my video, you know, also too, I appreciate the love and the view from the heart. Other than that, let's go ahead and get this wig started. So first thing first, I went ahead with a Cantu leave-in conditioner, which I love, by the way. And this oil right here, it smells so delicious. It smells so freaking good. Like I just want to lick it, but I can't because it's chemicals, but it smells that good. So I went ahead and put it on my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and do some straight backs. Straight back. I'm talking about straight back. It don't gotta be perfect, whatever, because at the end of the day, this braids is not gonna show. It's gonna be all covered up with wigs and a stocking cap, you name it. But I want to be flat as possible because when I put the wig on my head, I don't want it to have lumps and humps and bumps and lumps. You know, I want it to look like it's like, you know, like Liddy, because I'm already using a braided wig as it is. So even though the wig already look like a wig, in a way, I need to be as nice as possible. So make a long story short, I'm then going to go ahead and put in the ponytail because that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. First and foremost, when you're doing a wig, you want to make sure you have alcohol on deck because this right here make or break how you put your wig on, whether you're using glue, whether you're using spray. But I went ahead and wiped it off the oil from my forehead, from the front and to the back, because I want my wig to be laid. I'm going to put grease on my scalp because my hair is going to be closed down for the meanwhile. But look what my daughter did. She's 5 years old, right? Child, don't want to hand put rubber bands all in my grease. Just check. Just Lord have mercy, kids. This is the wig right here that I was talking about. It's a regular lace front wig that's already braided, and you know it's about quality line, like I just told you. It comes with a lot of lace to the top. It's Swiss lace to be exact. It got this thick headband in the back, elastic band, and it also has three clips, 2 in the side and 1 in the back. It's decent. Oh, also it's ombre at the end too. You know, like I said, I can't complain so far because that's my first time actually putting it on. So we're gonna go ahead and see how it works. We have the wig caps. You can use 2, but I use 1 because it ain't that serious over here. So pumping up spray is a dead kind of thing. We love this in our hood. Like, we love this forever, never, never, never. This is a must. You're gonna see this in all my videos. Trust me. Go get your bottle. If you don't know about it, now you know, baby. I'm gonna go ahead with the also got the bee hair spray too. And I'm just going to go ahead next and start to blow dry this cap on my head because we want this cap to be super hard. That way it will not come off when we put our wig on. Believe it or not, I saw a few people, like, for real, they had a wig on. It was cute, but guess what? Their cap was showing. It was like really showing. I'm like, but how? Sister, baby girl, it really is. So when you go ahead and cut your stocking cap, make sure you cut it right. Don't be scared to cut it because, like I say, it is a must you get that cap cut correctly. put one layer of Gold Sprung glue on my edges, and I went ahead next with the blow dryer to speed up the process of it drying. Time to go ahead and apply it the way it is. I did 2 slits on the side that way I can go ahead and pull it the way that I want it and how far that I want it there to be. So as you see, I just put the first layer, which is the top, on first. And I'm gonna go ahead second and make sure it's all nice and neat. It's all added up for my edges. And apply it down, no hard way. Just make sure that, you know what I'm saying, gonna sit correctly. You can go ahead and do how many like layers of glue you like for your edges, but I like to like take my cap off sometimes, but not freshly when it's done. So I don't want too much glue on it, because this Gold Sprung glue, it really do work, it really do stick, so I don't want it to be like too much glue sticking out. And bam, that side's already on there. I'm gonna go ahead again with my spray, and next it's time to cut the excess lace off. Again, this also is a big must too, because you don't want to cut so much lace off, but you want to cut lace off because you don't want it to show at all. Whatever how you do it, just go ahead and do what you believe is right. If you're not familiar with cutting lace, it's your first time cutting laces, then I hope this video will help you out. You know, because like I said, I'm not a pro at all, but I have been applying lace front wigs since 2008, so I'm not new at it at all. And once I went ahead and cut off the excess lace, I'm then next gonna go ahead to start to work with it and play with it, see how it's gonna work for me. The last detail we got right now going on is our lace front with the edges. Now these edges right here, they is overpowering. It's a lot going on here. I break it down that way it won't get messed up. But listen, just check all the edges out. It is so much. Like, I feel like I'm too grown to walk around here with a head full of braids and all this lace baby hair just sticking out of nowhere. So I went ahead always and trimmed down as much as I feel was needed. You know, it's my first time actually wearing a braided wig like this. So I do want to see how it play out with me having baby hair. But sis, I don't want that much baby hair though. Like, I really don't want that much baby hair. But you can't knock it till you try it, right? So let's go ahead and see how it will work. I took my got to be glue and put it on my hair and just start to like do my baby hair the way I regularly do it, and that's it.
Yeah, it's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a gold, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, trying to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down.